In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tab groups in Google Chrome and Brave browsers. If you keep dozens of tabs open, tab groups are a simple, built-in way to organize your work by project, topic, or priority without installing anything extra. Let's start in Google Chrome. First, open the Chrome browser so you can see your tab bar at the top. Pick any tab you want to organize. Right-click that tab to open the context menu. On a trackpad, that's usually a two-finger click. With a mouse, it's the right mouse button. From the menu, choose Add Tab to New Group. Chrome will immediately create a new group and assign it a default color. You'll notice a small colored circle appear to the left of your tabs, which represents the new group. Click that colored circle to customize the group. In the small panel that opens, type a clear, short name that helps you recognize the set of tabs at a glance, like Research, Shopping, or a client or course name. Then pick a color that makes sense to you. Color coding by project or urgency is a great way to visually separate your work. To bring more tabs into this group, you have two easy options. You can right-click another tab, choose Add to Group, and select the group you just named. Or simply drag the tab along the tab bar and drop it into the group next to the colored circle. The tab won't move to a new window. It just becomes part of the group, keeping everything neatly contained on one bar. Repeat this for as many tabs as you need, and you'll quickly cut down on clutter while keeping related pages together. Now let's do the same in the Brave browser. Open Brave and look at the tab you want to group. Right-click that tab and choose Add Tab to New Group. Just like in Chrome, a new group is created, and you'll be prompted to name it and choose a color. Give it a practical name and pick a color that stands out. To add more tabs in Brave, right-click the tab you want to include and select the group name from the menu. That's it. Brave follows the same flow because it's built on the same Chromium foundation. If you don't see the Add to Group option, make sure your browser is up to date, as the feature may be missing in older versions. With your group set up, you'll find it easier to switch contexts, reduce visual noise, and keep your focus on what matters most. Try naming and color schemes that match how you work, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized browsing experience.